perform one activity. Activity name is identifying alphabets, that is capital with small letter. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Everyone is ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Ovi, take today, stand up. Show me letter capital H, small h. Jump, jump, jump and stand up on capital H, small h. Very good, clap for Ovi. Next, Shivanya, stand up. Show me letter capital T, small t. Capital T, small t. Very good, clap for Shivanya. Next, stand up. Show me letter capital N, small n. Jump, jump, jump. Very good, clap for Aradhya. Next, Arvika. Show me letter capital Z, small z. Very good, clap for Arvika. Next, Riya. Show me letter capital L, small l. Capital L, small l. Very good, clap for Riya. Next, Shivanjali. Show me letter capital U, small u. Very good, clap for Shivanjali. Next, Piyush, stand up. Show me letter capital B, small b. B for ball. Jump, 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 jump. Very good, clap for Ayush. Next, Prapti. Prapti, stand up. Show me letter capital J, small j. Capital J, small j. Very good, clap for Prapti. Next, Swara. Show me letter capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. Very good, clap for Swara. Stand up. Show me letter capital M, small m. Capital M, small m. Very good, clap for Aradhya. Next, Siddhi. Show me letter capital L, small l. Lion. Very good, clap for Siddhi. Show me capital Y, small y. Yes, very good, clap for Shavni. Next, Ayush. Show me capital A, small a. A for apple. Very good, clap for Ayush. Next, Advait. Show me capital E, small e. E for elephant. Show me capital E, small e. Very good, clap for Advait. Next, Aryan. Show me capital G, small g. Capital G, small g. G, not J. G for grapes. G for goat. Capital G, small g. Yes, very good, clap for Aryan. Next, Arav. Show me capital K, small k. K for kite. Show me capital K, small k. Very good, clap for Arav. Next, Aradhya. Show me capital P, small p. Show me capital P, small p. Where is capital P, small p? Yes. Where is? Yes. Very good. Clap for Aradhya. Shivansh, show me capital Z, small z. Capital Z, small z. Come. Yes, very good. Clap for Shivansh. Next. Show me capital A, small a. A for apple. Show me capital A, small a. Come. Yashasri, show me capital T, small t. Very good. Clap for Yashasri.